In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the design or page where you want the highlight effect to appear. This is helpful because you'll be able to preview the result right away and make any quick adjustments as you go. Next, add your text if it's not already on the page, or simply select the text you want to highlight. This step is important because the highlight effect needs to be applied to the text element you're working with. If you have multiple text boxes in your design, just click the specific one you want to edit so the correct settings appear. Once your text is selected, look over to the left side panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where Adobe Express gives you extra styling options for text, beyond just changing the font or color. Inside the Effects section, find the Shapes area and then click View All. That will expand the available shape-based effects so you can see more options, including highlight styles. Now, browse through the available shapes and select the highlight shape you want to use. Adobe Express offers different styles, so choose the one that best matches the look you're going for. If the highlight doesn't look exactly right away, don't worry. After selecting the highlight shape, click the sliders button associated with that selected highlight. This opens a small settings pane with more control over the effects. In that pane, find the shape color swatch and click it to open the color picker. From there, choose the highlight color you want. This is a great place to match your brand colors, coordinate with the rest of your design, or simply pick a shade that makes your text stand out clearly without overwhelming it. You can also adjust the shape size, which changes how thick or large the highlight appears behind the text. If you want something subtle, keep it smaller. If you want a bolder, more obvious marker style look, increase the size a bit. You can also adjust the shape opacity, which controls how transparent the highlight is. Lower opacity can create a softer effect, while higher opacity makes the highlight more vivid. And that's it. Once you've adjusted the color, size, and opacity to your liking, your highlighted text is ready. This is a simple way to draw attention to keywords or phrases and make your Adobe Express designs more polished and engaging.